Guys, so let me see if I should zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do a review of Shadowsense 4 new eyeshadows. This is the Tropical Collection. Is that right? Yeah, Tropical Collection. So we have Lava Shimmer, which is this orange color. Palm Glitter, which is like a glittery green color. Let's see if it will zoom. If it will focus for you. There you go. And then this one is Tropical Orchid Glitter, which is like a purple color. And then Pink Hibiscus Shimmer, which is a pink color. Yes. Okay, so let's get into the swatches. Right now I have all over my lids the Lava Shimmer. I really like this color. I'm really into oranges, and this orange is like something you can just pop on every day. I put it on with my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, and I literally just put it on and then like blended it out all over the lid, and that's it. Like no liner today. Although I will say the new formula for our eye sense is so spectacular. I will do a video on that later this week, like showing you how to apply it, and like my I have a cat hair on my lens my review of that. So let's get into the swatches really quick. You can already see what this one looks like, and I'm actually going to apply each one to my eyelid, but let me just show you some really pretty swatches. Oh, well, you can see what it looks like. Hold on, let me put these ones down. You can see what the color looks like. It's really pretty. It's got some shimmer to it, but on the lid it's just so gorgeous. Do you guys like my pom-poms today? I like felt like having my hair back, but still like goofy, obviously. So I was like, I'm just gonna put in 2 pigtails because, yeah. All right, so that's that color, and then that's the only one I've actually tried on. The other ones, oh, and if you're wondering what lip color I have on today, it is Nude Pink, which is one of the colors that came with the came out at the same time as their limited edition colors, which, hold on, it's in my purse, in my Dixie Pistol case, which I love Dixie Pistol. Look at this case. This is so cute, and it's like rose gold. It pops right in my bag. This is my new Kate Spade bag, guys. Let me show you. So it's got like this little buckle. Oh my gosh, this is like so off topic, but I just want to show you. And then look, on the inside I have my little, should I do like a what's in my bag video? You guys let me know. But I pop it right inside of there, which I got that unicorn looking colored thing from what is it called? Forever 21. So Nude Pink is this really pretty nude color, and it's all sold out. Everyone is obsessed with it. I bought some and they're all gone, so I sold them all. And then I have one layer of, so I have 2 layers of Nude Pink, 1 layer of Bravo. What the heck is Bravo? Oh, it's in my hand. Bravo, which is a super nude color, which by itself this color is like really pale on me. And then I have Pink Sand Gloss on top, which this gloss is to die for. Just don't put too much on, because you know with like nude lipsticks how you can get like that white film right here. That's what happens if you put too much on. But I just put like 1 layer on top and just like makes this gorgeous nude everyday color. Okay, enough of that. Back to the Shadowsense. So next we have Pink Hibiscus Shimmer, which, let me show you what it looks like. Uh-oh, hold on. I have foundation on that hand, so let me do it on this hand. Yeah, much better. Okay, so that's what this looks like. Sorry, it's just because I have foundation on this hand and I didn't want it to alter the color. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. OMG, OMG. And I will insert a picture right here of me wearing each color on my eye. And then next is Pink, oh, I'm sorry, Palm Glitter, the green color, the green shimmer. It's like a green glitter, but the glitters aren't that profound though, so in my personal opinion, it's more like a shimmer. I wouldn't really call this a glitter, but it's very pretty. And then you can make a lot of pretty colors with it. So yeah, Then next you have, this one is also like a glitter, and this one is Tropical Orchid, which again, to me, this is more shimmer, definitely not really a glitter. The glitters are just so minute. Like I have glitter shadows and like they have like glitter, like glitter, glitter, glitter. This is like not really glitter to me. You see it? You can barely see the glitter. Like, let me zoom in a little. You can barely see it. Like it's more so just like a shimmer shadow. It's very pretty though. Yeah, I like it. I'm excited to do something with this cranberry looking color. It's gonna be gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Oh, hold on, let me see. I'm just gonna wipe these off. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me just put some, actually, you know what, I should just put the swatches on my eye. I just don't want to mess up my makeup, but let me just really quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our new, just so you guys can see, like, and I'm not going to edit this video because it takes me way too long. That's the reason why I haven't uploaded a video in so long, because honestly the editing process is so long. Like, I do so much already. I don't got time for all that, girl. But I'm going to do this Foops wipes, which I'm obsessed with them. I actually need to buy some more, but I'm obsessed with those wipes. They're my favorite makeup wipes I've ever tried in my entire life. So our shadows are long wearing and smudge resistant, so obviously it's not going to just be like coming right off. So these are great because the formula in them has minerals and stuff, and it really helps keep your skin nice and healthy. Okay, so now that I have that off, I'm going to keep my orange hibiscus on one eye, and am I saying that right? Why do I keep saying that? My lava shimmer. And I'm going to go ahead and do the Tropical Orchid glitter. Whoa, guys, this is my first time trying this on. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, let me see, can you guys see it? It's very pretty. Now with this formula, it's very liquidy, so it's kind of hard to honestly like work with these if you're using a lot of products. So start with a little bit. I'm gonna just blend out this part so it looks a little better, and leave the lid with color. So this is just like, I'm just doing that just so you guys can see the color. Let me use this other one. What do you think? It's very pretty. I love it. So if you want, you can just pack on the color with a brush. What's it called? A makeup brush. Let me find my, I'll use this one. Wait, does this have color on it? It does. I need to clean all my brushes. All my brushes have a little color on them. So this is very pretty, very summery. Honestly, I would wear this by itself too. This is really pretty. Like, what do you guys think? You like it? Okay, so let's go ahead and wipe that off, and then we'll do, I'm like, should I leave it on this eye and on the other eye do, I'll do the other eye, I'll do the green one. I'll put the orange hibiscus, the lava shimmer on after. Hope you guys don't mind. I'm not doing any edits, but I will put some music in here, so there should be music playing. Okay, next let's go in with this fun green glitter color, palm glitter. I'm doing this just so, oh, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to do some really pretty looks with it. Oh, I see those glitters popping out. Very pretty. And I'm not doing a look, I'm just showing you guys what the colors look like. In case you haven't gotten them yet, they are limited edition, so make sure you hurry up and get them, girl. Okay, let me, ooh. I'm just doing this just so you guys can see how they blend as well. This one's not as blendable, but I wouldn't wear it like this. Like obviously I would wear it with like different shadows and like blend it, and then I would just put this on the top, but you guys can see what it looks like. It's pretty. I'm trying to think of like a look I could do with it. I could totally do like a really pretty look with this though. Okay, and then last but not least would be this pretty color called Pink Hibiscus. The one I keep saying orange hibiscus. Oh yes, this is my type of color because I can do like some really pretty cranberry looks with this. So typically you wouldn't just put it on your lid, but I just want to make sure you're getting like the whole color, like seeing the color. But typically what you would do is pat it out, like use a brush. Let's see, I guess I'll do this one. Use like a brush and pat it out. And of course you'd have your shadow on. I'm trying to think if I should do a look really quick with it. What do you guys think? I don't really know. Ooh. This is very beautiful. Oh my. Oh me, oh me. Girl. I really like this color. This is a really beautiful color. Like, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to take this off and put my lava shimmer back on because I don't feel like doing a look, so sorry guys. I will do one soon. I just want to show you guys what these colors look like. And my eyeballs are hurting now because I have to take these off. Oh my gosh, you know, like fellow beauty gurus out there, seriously, like doing try-ons for your lips or your eyes, wow. And these don't typically burn my eyes, like ever. They never burn my eyes, but it's just because I'm rubbing my eyeballs. It's kind of burning a bit. Okay, let's go in. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I applied it when I did my eyes. So I just put it on my lid like this. Oh, I didn't show you guys what this color looked like on when you put it on like heavy. So this is cool. I'm putting it back on. That worked out perfect. Oh my lord, I got so much on my lashes now. Oh, don't say that, girl. Okay, now I'm going to take my Sigma E40, which if you guys want to get any nice blending brushes like the Sigma E40, I recommend using my coupon code. I'm actually gonna use this brush, which I have a coupon code for these two, dough color, because girl, I love me some makeup brushes. My coupon code should be linked right here, but it's Lisha10 for both companies. So you guys can save 10% off your orders. Save that money, girl. Ooh. That's how I had it earlier when the video started. So pretty. I love this color. Okay, I'm just going to pack it on, and blend. I'm so excited to do my music covers. My first one I think is gonna be Best Part by her and Daniel Caesar, but I'm not sure. I'm still figuring out which one my first one's gonna be, but I'm just gonna do it. Like, I'm doing one this week. I already did it, but my camera had died, so I couldn't finish it, so that's the reason why it's not done yet. But oh, let me put a little more on this side. Hopefully this is looking good on camera, because sometimes I do videos and then I look at it when I'm about to upload it and I'm like, what is this? Like, this doesn't even look good. But it looks like good in person, but on camera, like, because of the lighting and stuff, sometimes it just doesn't. Sometimes the lighting is so bright. That's cute. Okay, let's take that off. Oh, now I gotta fix my highlight. Dang it. Fix that. I don't think that did anything. Oh well. I'm gonna use my Naked Cosmetics. This is a 15-minute video. Dang, my videos are always so long. I'm about to hop off of here. Hopefully you guys are liking this. Just having fun watching me. Okay, that was this color. This highlight palette. And I use this one right here. Super pretty. Alright guys, so that was my little mini first review of these gorgeous shadows. And you can see this lip color combo. So cute. And my pom-poms. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, share with your friends, of course. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. And I've decided I'm just not going to edit anymore because I realize if I edit my videos, I'll never put videos up because I'm one, too much of a perfectionist, and two, editing takes a lot of time. So right now I'm just not going to edit for now, and that way I can make sure I'm getting out regular content and stuff. And I'm trying to look in the lens. So alright, I'm gonna hop off. Thank you for watching.